unboxing the D7000, and that's Padmae. Just got it this morning from Bergen County Camera, which have 4 in stock. B&H doesn't have any in stock. Adorama doesn't have any in stock. Bergen County Camera's got 4. 4 meaning the body only, not the kit. Right on top, D7000 manuals in English and in Spanish, and the quick camera guide. Inside this box, 2 other boxes. In the white box, USB cable, battery charger, MH25. Give that to Padmae. Battery charger cord. We'll let Padmae hold on to that. Battery. EL15. It's a new battery. It's not the same as the D90 or D300S. Padmae will hold on to that. This thingamajig, I'm not sure what it is. It connects to here. Very interesting. AV cords. Padmae, hold on to that. The strap, which I don't use. DK5. I guess when you're doing long exposures and you want to cover the eyepiece, you would use this little piece. That's it. That's the white box. Another yellow box inside. Should have the camera, which it does. Padmae is giving the Fronos photo sniff test. How's it smell, Padmae? There we go.